Hey guys, Sinister the Drone Network coming at you, and I have an unboxing today. This will be another episode of What's in the Package. This comes to me courtesy of Axiomatic. So let's get into the box. I cut the tape. Have not opened it yet. Let's reveal what's inside the box. And look at that. Gee, what do you guys think that is? Oh, let's get her out and take a look. And boom, look at that. Let me move the box over. Look at this beautiful thing. This is a Vetera Ascender K5. Beautiful paint job. Look at that. Wow. This thing is a beast. Crawler. My very first crawler. Absolute animal. Love the Axiomatic sticker on there. That's staying on. Got a California plate. Very, very, very cool. Let's get the body off here and take a look at the underside. Thank you, Axiomatic. I am going to enjoy the heck out of this. Okay. Get the body off here. Oh, something's connected. Ooh. It has lights. Wow. Definitely have to check those out. So, here's the star of the show. So got a 20 kg servo up here. This, from what I was told, is a 35 turn motor. This thing is tough, man. Wow. Very, very cool. Looks like it has an axial ESC. Right up to an XT60. Very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, and there's a receiver box here, and it looks like there may be a receiver. Oh, look at that. Got some extra bumpers here that he threw in for me. And look at that, he even threw in a Traxxas radio. Cool. Thank you very, very much. Very cool. Well, guys, I look forward to some videos of this. Definitely, I've got lots of crawling areas close to the house. Actually, right across the street, I can take this bad boy out. So that'll be really, really nice feature there. So thanks for tuning in. Look forward to some videos of this bad boy. Thanks again, Axiomatic. Really, really appreciate this. Catch you guys in the next one.